Try these all-natural body odor solutions. 1. Shower right. Showering at least once a day with antibacterial soap is key to reducing the number of odor-causing bacteria that breed on the skin. 2. Neem bath. Neem, also known as Indian lilac, naturally kills bacteria. Boil neem leaves or neem tea in water and add the water to a bath. 3. Breathable undershirt. Not all undershirts are the same. Natural materials such as cotton and bamboo help prevent body odor, so wear undershirts made of those materials. 4. Sour yogurt. This may sound odd, but try using fresh or spoiled yogurt as soap. This method works because the good bacteria in yogurt fights the bad odor-causing bacteria. 5. Lemon juice and rose water. Make a home remedy of equal parts lemon juice and rose water. Seal the solution in a bottle and store in the refrigerator. Use a cotton ball to rub the solution into your armpits twice daily. 6. Sage spray. This fragrant spice is a natural antibacterial. Try brewing sage tea or diluting sage oil and keeping the resulting liquid in a bottle. Apply the sage mixture using a cotton ball to the underarms,